Good morning. I am Amira Chamoli of class 7B.
I am Aditya Khatri of class 7B.
Today, we are going to tell you about the model of a human digestive system. Have you ever wondered what happens to food after we eat it? Today, we are going to tell you about that. First of all, the food enters through our mouth to the body. Then it goes to the esophagus. Through the esophagus, it goes to the small intestine. In the small intestine, it is.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Rudransh Kukreti. Holy water. When I will place this lemon in salt water, it will float easily because the density of water is increased.
The Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back to the Earth. There are four main.
An imaginary line. So let me tell you, half side of the earth receives sunlight and half side of the earth receives. Battery is the source of the electrical energy, and the switch is the main control of the circuit. When the switch is on, the fan moves, and when the switch is off, the fan does not move. And it is same with the battery. We are moving to our body.
Then explanation will start.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Rishna Singh. I am the student of class 8. Me and my teammates have made this model to explain you about the cycle of day and night. So now today I am taking you on a journey of day and night without even leaving your room. So you have some questions that why we wake up in the bright sky and why we sleep in the darkness. So let me explain you that the circle is in a spherical shape. So you will think that sun is roaming around the sky, or is it something else? So the secret is rotation. So the sun.
Then working your.
So the earth rotates on its axis an imaginary line. So let me tell you, half side of the earth receives sunlight and half side of the earth receives nighttime. But it's not permanent. Sometimes some countries receive sunlight and sometimes some countries receive only moonlight. Thank you. Have a
I am Andrew.
Today, me and my teammates have made this model about modes of transportation, in which we have made three types: water transportation, in land we have railway, and land transportation, and air transportation.
Good morning, my name is Kanishka and this is my working model of water cycle for our science exhibition. This is water cycle and it consists.
Today we are presenting a science model. The topic of our science model is human heart. In this model,
Process in which green plants use sunlight to grow and make their food. Thank you.
Model of human heart. The heart pumps blood to the whole body. It has four chambers: left auricle, left ventricle, and right auricle. The valves stop the backflow of blood. The left
Project water cycle. Today from this project we are going to show you how water cycle works.
it converts into the water vapor and rises into the air.
Good morning sir and ma'am. Myself Khushi and my teammates are.
So first, the butterfly gives eggs and the eggs hatches into caterpillar. After that, it becomes
Day and night, how day and night occurs. This is day and this is night. Half of the earth covered with day and half of the earth covered with night. And half of the countries will show day and daylight and half of
electricity, the hydroelectricity, how the hydroelectricity works. When the water was dropping at the turbine, so it make a electricity, and electricity goes to the home.
Instrument used to measure the earthquake. Earthquake is the epidemic happen when the tectonic plates under the earth crust shakes, and this is the instrument very useful to know about the future earthquakes.
Show you that how can the alert happen in this disasters. Thank you.
egg and live in water. Second pupa.
This is Cephalus, this is Orion, this is Cassiopeia. constellation. This is Draco, this is Cygnus, this is Lyra, and this is Andromeda. This is
Myself Ritika, I'm from class 8A. So my model name is waste management. So what is waste management? As waste management is collecting, separating and recycling and decomposing of waste clearly. So waste management reduce pollution.
My name is Arohi, and today we are representing the model of human digestive system. Human digestive system consists of 7 parts: esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine. First the food enter to our mouth.
Present our model. The topic of the model is windmill. Windmill is a
Today we are going to present two types of irrigation model.
Of wheat from farm to the plate, it shows how grains are.
Irrigation is a process in which we water plants at regular intervals.
The third process is processing. The grains are processed in a processor to remove
Frying and communicating at the mill.
stage: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and butterfly. This process that are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It also consists of hundreds of
Good afternoon. Welcome to our science exhibition. Today we all are explaining the life cycle of pea plant model. In the first stage, the seed is very small.
Now sprout are the small plant.
Stem root. When the plant is grown up,
We exhale, our ribs move upward and downward. The chest move upward and the diaphragm move downward. Somehow it is what I will explain. When we inhale, our lungs grow. In human, so lungs are very important for our body, and
with the help of energy, sun, carbon dioxide and water, they present.
Thank you, ma'am.
Developed in a liquid due to applied force. When we push these injections, the lifts move up.
Fruit. In this stage, we will see some fruits are coming. After that, we will see fruit pot with. Thank you. Have a nice day. Germination is seed plants. Seed grows into.
Thus, food travels a long journey from farm to our table. Thank you. In this stage, we see some beautiful flowers are coming with.
The life cycle of butterfly is a 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, germination, the appearance of leaves started in this stage. The cycle of a stage 1 seed. A seed grow into a young
Movement of water from above and below Earth's surface. It has 5 steps. The food is then sent to factories or supermarket by truck. Larva or the caterpillar, whose primary job is to eat leaves. The farmer is planting seeds in soil so the seeds can grow. After the sun is at the center of all the planets. It has 8 planets.
My topic is type of constellations. There are so many constellations like
The sun evaporates the water and it comes in cloud and
mother cook the food like chapati and pasta and fresh bread at home. Thank you.